This is Royal Caribbean Adventure of the Sea, 1860. It is this panoramic ocean view, 80s cruise, know what I mean? 2026. Here we have the bathroom. Pretty standard, but these are newer than the rest of the ship, so they're a little more modern. Plenty of storage. So if you're booking a panoramic ocean view, you want to make sure, check the videos because some of them are longer past the bed and there's chairs and tables. This one does not have that. So we requested a table at least, so we'll see what we get. But as you can see, we're sailing out of Port Canaveral on a rainy day, but it's a very nice view. And it's kind of right on the curve. Got the bridge wings. They do want you to shut the lights off at night.